Good morning, everybody, and happy Wednesday. If you're here with me in the YouTube, Discord, X, or Kick Chat, go ahead and say what's up. Let's see who's with us this morning. We have SW, National, Nicholas for Ticholas, Hockey, Shane, More MV1, July Peppers, Nick, Prime Cap, Robinho, Jay Prowse, Uncle Mark, Davey Guy, AG, Brian, good morning. Crypto Trades, 177, Billy Joe, Paolo Santos, Brady, Ripsmod, Richard Harris, Scott H, Paul Yoon, Full Tilt Futures, Christopher, TJP, Kayon, Yaz, Doc, good morning. What's up? I Never Win OVO, H, Saladin, Ali, Day Trader Rick, Sovereign Pulse, Tomoki, Blaze, TDG, Matthias, Yaz, Jacob the King, 06, Yama, Jacob 4602, Pocket Aces, Matt, Tom, good morning to you, Stoli, Sander DBE, Chad, X Corgo, AFA, Chart Hustle, Fat Elvis, Long Mile, Scott H, Cube Q, Potechko, Focus Chan, Save Man, Brian, G Carroll. How long you been with her? How long you been with her? Good morning to you. Might be a bot, Trend Seeker, Matthias, Coach Steve, a Vibe Trade, Channel, Amateur Genius, Cube Q, Mac D, Ripsmod, the one and only Musped, L Rap, Making Seven Figures Exchange Runner, Gary Baker, Charlie FXer, Flying Finn, TDC for Life, Dusk, J Luge, Chrono Ember, Driz, Marco, Zv, we'll go with Zv, TJP, Kayon, Naz, good morning, Focus Chan, Steph, Dusk, 50, good morning. What's cracking? Anybody got any trades on right now? Right here and now? Anybody got anything on? Some good overnight news for equities. We had Trump is going to have his meeting with Xi tonight. Tomorrow morning, his time, but tonight, our time. Very late. I'm pretty sure it's at 10 p.m. Eastern. Pretty sure. So, FOMC today. Earnings after the bell, and then the Trump-Xi meeting, which I think is going to turn out that they're going to avoid the 100% tariff unless it goes absolutely haywire. So we'll see whether or not these large institutions have baked that into the pricing already. Markets were rallying overnight. Even gold was rallying too. Pretty crazy. Yeah, it says a little bit red this morning, short from the 70s. We're all ready for this wild ride Wednesday. Jam-packed day. Yeah, it's going to be crazy. Today's going to be nuts. Today is the kind of day, too, if you've never traded FOMC before, you should just watch. But today is the kind of day where if you have traded FOMC before and you are bold enough to trade it again, you don't even have to take much size for it to matter. The moves are going to be pretty exaggerated, especially during the press conference where you just don't have to take really big trades. So just chill. Just relax. There's a whole day ahead of you. In fact, I was looking at trades this morning and I kept kind of seeing if there was a setup. I was looking at gold, I was looking at NQ. I was thinking about when it was bottoming out in this gully of despair to take a long, but then I was like, I don't really want to have a trade on pre-stream. I don't really need to put on a trade when the FOMC is going to be moving it so much. I'm up early every morning, yes. I'm up at 2 o'clock local time every single morning. Definitely gambling earnings later with some accounts that are pretty much blown. There you go. Yeah, do whatever you want. If you want to gamble on FOMC, you can't do it in TPT Pro and Pro Plus accounts. I'm pretty sure you can do it in Tradeify. You could definitely do it in Apex evals. I'm pretty sure. No, Funding Ticks I think has a news rule. Who else is there? Top Step Combines, you could do it, I'm pretty sure. 2 a.m. is crazy. It's the same as waking up at 5 a.m. Eastern time. It's really not. It just sounds, sounds impressive. It's just not. It's like waking up at 5 o'clock Eastern. Thought you can with TPT during the FOMC minutes. They sent out an email. Let me see what this email says. They sent out an email today. It says, as one of our valued Pro Plus traders, we wanted to inform you of upcoming news releases that may impact trading activities. The FOMC statement will follow 2 p.m. Eastern time. We kindly remind you that it is prohibited to hold any open positions during these news events. To ensure compliance, we ask that all Pro Plus accounts be closed out of all positions, have no open orders 1 minute before, during, and after the news events. So I would reach out to support and ask them whether or not the press conference is considered a news event. Because if you're asking me, I would consider that a news event. Is this the FOMC that actually moves? Yeah, dude, this is the one, baby. This is the Super Bowl. This is the biggest day of Q4 so far, in my opinion. This is going to be a very extraordinary day. Dude, my contacts are so dry right now. I think I need to go put in some new ones. I have contacts that last a month. They're disposable ones. Might have to go change these out. I'm on Kick every single day. The Kick stream is far superior to the YouTube stream. Let's see here. This is my 7 trade. All longs this morning. This is my first short. Good luck, buddy. Yeah, I would just say, make sure you're checking with your prop firm rules so that you do not get caught off sides. Do you know? If you are feeling like you're in a YOLO mood, I don't recommend this, but I think your cheapest way to YOLO is Apex. I'm pretty sure, if you're gonna do that. I do not recommend doing it. I think it's ridiculous. But dude, the amount of DMs that I got. Hey man, can we go like long some accounts, short some accounts? Which firms can I do that in? Well, you can do it on all the evaluations. If you try to do that in a funded account, you're gonna get ruined. You're gonna get banned. Do not do that in a funded account. But if you're trying to like get evals that you can turn into a funded account, yeah, go for it. Because it's going to be a lot of moves. But you could actually bust accounts both sides, Everybody's always looking for a freaking shortcut, dude. I can't stand it. You're looking for a shortcut in the one industry where it's like, there's no shortcuts, dude, ever. Somebody even like screenshotted something. They're like arguing with somebody who's like, oh, you could learn how to trade in 30 days. And they were like slamming it up their ass. They're like, I got him, Ribs. All right. Nice, man. Gonna be a good day. Yeah, I hope it is too. I always get excited about FOMC. I really hope I perform well. I don't think I'm gonna trade. I'm sorry. I don't think I'm gonna stream the FOMC release and the presser. I'm not expecting that I will trade that much today prior to the FOMC announcement, given that it's probably going to be a lot of positioning on both sides. What's up, Howard? How are you, buddy? What about long NQ 1 contract and short MNQ with 10 contracts with a stop of, say, 500? Haha. I mean, it's the same thing, but yeah. Why just do 1 and 1? There's no reason to do 10 and 1. Are you saying like in the same account? I mean, kind of ridiculous. You're talking about the press conference, Jay Prowse? Prop firms are already the shortcut. Instead of working for years to build a personal bankroll, just pay 20 and start trading with MaxCon. You could do that too. 100% you could do that too, but you know. I think that if you're trying to be in this game for a long period of time, you should treat evaluations like real accounts. Now, a lot of people are going to disagree with that. That's fine. I don't care. But get those reps in. It doesn't happen overnight, man. Equities are somewhat flat, except for NVIDIA. NVIDIA is just crazy, dude. It's so dope. See, from this valley of despair, NVIDIA is up 15%. I love it. I love it. I've seen people go on 40 account hedges, especially 150K accounts. Yeah, for sure. You can do that. On evals only. You can do it, but the risk, of course, is that you're going to bust both of them because of the trailing drawdown. So just be careful out there. Stop looking for shortcuts. Gold is starting to move here. Another knowledge nugget for the real estate community. Listen up, folks. Thanks, man. Trying to break bad habits from evals and funded is not easy. Yeah, I mean, if you are used to like, oh man, I could pass evals so fast. Fat guy, get out of here. I don't know what you're talking about, man. Dude, what happened in gold? Fat guy, is that your desk right now? You guys are just yammering gold? Did you see that Star Cloud thing they announced? Data centers in space? No. Are you trading gold often or just futures? Gold is futures. I just started trading gold like a week ago. I know about it, but it's not like I really made a habit to trade. There's a lot of volatility in it. And I'm enjoying trading the product. It's gold futures. Silver up too. Yeah, Ali, you trade silver, right? Hammering gold on CFDs. Dude, I could never trade CFDs. They never show like volume or anything, right? When is NVIDIA earnings? I think in like 2 weeks. I think November 12th or something. Let me see. November 19th. I was a week off. Oopsie. Maybe they rescheduled. I don't know. I don't know why I thought the 12th. Hey, Rips, you still on Top Stuff TV? Yeah, I've been on every single day. It's crazy. Trading is like working your way through pro basketball. Low A, high A, double A, triple A, major leagues. It is a process. Yeah, man. Fall in love with the process versus trying to just slam it in as hard as you can. Fall in love with the process of learning how to trade. When is the open in the gold markets right now? Is it in 6 minutes? What time are you on Top Step each day? 69 o'clock and 420 seconds. $5:20 a.m. So in 5 minutes, we're gonna have the gold open in 5 minutes. Hell of a squeeze going on there from the point of control. Yeah, we can do predictions. Thank you. There you go. Curious to see, you know, if maybe the gold open will give us something to scalp. Oh, I should have been watching. Oh, for that break, the previous day high again. They're working on a 4-kilometer square solar-powered data center in orbit. What about Elon Musk talking about using the cars as like AI inferences? Find that center of gravity first, work your size up, lifting weights is parallel to trading. Yeah, I mean, it's the same thing. It's like how you scale an account or size up into things. Elon is a master pumper. I mean, he also builds great products. Little pullback, 35. I'm not taking anything. Yeah, I'm waiting for the gold open. I'm just seeing if there's opportunities, but that was a nice reversal there. What was that? Wow, 302. Oh, I just want to sling 100 contracts in gold one time, baby. One time. Richard called it. Wait, trade live. What was? I don't even remember you were trading. I have no idea what it was you're trading with. How's the SF90 now? That's a real question. That's good. Oh my God, it's so nice. Drives like a dream. Thing is so fun, dude. It's ridiculous. It's just, I mean, it's really hard to enjoy it on the road because it's so ridiculously fast. It's like absurdly fast. You got it back? Yeah, post it on Instagram, post it on X, post it everywhere, brother. Do a 500 lot in ES. The most I can trade is 100 contracts, brother. Plus, I have 25% margins, but what's funny is that for me to take 100 contracts in the NQ would require $850,000. Thankfully, in my AMP account, I have exactly $850,000. I have never tracked my SF90. I've never tracked any SF90s. It would be amazing to track that thing. It's absurd. It's such an absurd car. There's like the dealership that sold mine to me, they said that every other SF90 that they sold around the same time has been totaled by the owner, by their own fault. It's too fast. It's so stupidly fast. There's a mode in the car that I can't even use on the highway because it's just like so stupidly fast. Like the back will come out like going like 120. The back will like, it's just ridiculous. So absurd. It's one of the, I mean, it is the best car I've ever owned. It's stupidly absurd. Getting traction on the thing requires skill. I mean, you can put the computers on where you will get traction, but there's like modes where you release more and more traction. It has a side slip angle control in it, which is just, all Ferraris kind of had that since the 458, I believe, or maybe it was the 488 where they introduced that. What are your thoughts on Lucid? Never use them. There's a whole laundry list of prop firms that have offered me some type of partnership that I still haven't been able to use. There's just too many right now. So, do what I can. There's 4 modes. So there's, hold on. That was the gold open? That's a lame gold open. That's stupid. He said lucid trading, so not talking about the car. I built a track car and have taken it to Willow Springs. Nice. I think I've ridden bikes in Willow Springs. I think. Can't remember. Thank you for the 5 months there, more MV1. Hey Ribs, can you chat about the transition for consistently profitable trader who's also working a full-time job as to the process they should follow when switching to full-time trade? You should have 9 to 12 months of consistent profitability on props first. If you don't have that, I mean, do whatever you want, but I would just say it's probably not a good idea to start trading your own money until you have 9 to 12 months of consistent profitability on props. If you have that, then just fund an account with whatever you've made in props for the last 3 months. Trade very small size and take it slow. So South Korea tariffs, auto tariffs down 5%. Yeah, so nothing really new. I'm just listening to the squawker right now. I mean, it's all very strong news, to be honest with you. This is like very, very strong news, but it's nothing that we haven't heard. The China stuff, I think, is going to be the most interesting, and that's happening tonight. After all the earnings, after FOMC, after everything. No news at 8:30, correct, Riley? We already did the predictions. Pocket aces. You missed it. 66,000 gamble points. Or gamble. Channel points. Microsoft Mets. Alphabet after the close. Not sure what... Oh, Meta. It's like, what the fuck is Mets? Thank you, Pozo, for the 1 month. It's like Mets. New York Mets are trading. Wow. What's up, Anthony? How are you, buddy? Doesn't open like equities. I see that now. It really just, they take their time. They gotta all waddle over to the gold pit or something. Someone posted that hello everyone is good and good afternoon is bad from Powell. LOL does it every time, I guess. I think good afternoon is the good one. What's TROG? I don't know what TR is. They're a baseball team from New York who love to collapse. That's funny. Since I didn't get to gamble my channel points, who's trying to side? You guys are ridiculous. Yeah, what do we think? Do you think it's going to be a purple tie? Maybe we could do a channel points gamble for that. I wish we could have multiple channel points gambles being booked at once. That would be sick. I don't know why we can't. Like, what the hell, Kick? We need to be... We're degens over here, man. Like, we need this shit to be, like, multi-threaded. Traders Reality Discord. Cool. Never heard of it, but cool. Purple tie is 5,000 points. Dude, I wish we could run like a poly market with channel points. It'd be so freaking sick. Ha! I would be the book. You know, I need to spend my channel points too, man. I'm gonna trade FOMC, but I don't think I'm gonna stream it. I just want to trade in my own privacy, you know? I just want to try to lock in and be in a flow state. I really just want to try to lock in. Need to be able to reimbursement with Rips is wrong candle. So funny, it was all Gerald's fault. Yeah. What's up, John? How are you? Still trying to find the right ear tips for these IEMs. Really don't know which ones I should go with. I'm trying the soft ones out now. I'll be that fly in your office that you can't get rid of watching you trade FOMC. If I'm trying to make some serious cash, like FOMC, in all reality, you can make 6 figures trading FOMC if you're locked the fuck in. You really can. Now, I'm not saying I'm going to go for that, but the opportunity is there. And then you also have the idea that, you know, you can just sit and watch and not trade at all. Pozo says, I had a 17K gold trade last night in Asia, here to just chill with Ribs. Nice, dude. What prop firm or brokerage? It's a sweet trade. 17K is litty. Good book map liquidity up there. I mean, I'm just looking at gold and it's all right. I just don't think there's gonna be a lot of opportunities going in the session today. I mean, we're seeing NASDAQ is moving around, but it just doesn't look clean. This looks aggressively confusing. Look, people, when he's trading the purse, he is dead silent, super focused. That said, it's entertaining to see the look on his face. Locked in, baby. It's tough to try to be in a flow state when you got a ton of people watching. Sometimes I'll go silent. I mean, I care about making my money, you know, at the end of the day. I try to be as helpful as possible, but it's real money. I care about it. Top step, nice. XFA or combines? If it's on XFAs or funded, that's sick. How many accounts to make 17K also? How many XFAs was it? Congrats, that's huge. It's beautiful. 5-pack or a single? What's up, Jay Torres? If you ever did a meetup, would it be exclusive to MC or include kicksters? I mean, we're supposed to do one this year in Vegas. I think we'll probably do one next year. 2 accounts, 3 contracts, 10K on one side. That's sick. Let's go. Give it up for Pozo, Drake. That's dope. What's up, B? How are you? Is Boa in Vegas better than one in LA? I mean, we went on the friends and family opening, and it was obviously like amazing because it's friends and family opening. So I want to go back and see how it is for the non-friends and family opening. Oh, God. I have some tea or something right now. Rips is a what you see is what you get kind of guy. Yeah. It is what it is, baby. I think I'm going to go and put in some new contacts. I don't think there's any trades for me to take. I'll leave Bookmap up here. But I'm going to get in some new contacts. But they're like, this is what happens when you have the monthly throwaway disposable contacts. They just kind of get all cloudy by this time. So I'll go grab some new ones and I'll be right back. Probably about less than 5 minutes. Be right back. All right, we're back. It's like I can hear or see in HD now, or 4K. Wow, I can see again. Going back to the over-ear headphones for now. Just feels like somebody's got your fingers in your ear. I just don't know if I'm using the wrong tips or what. I just can't get used to it. Yeah, I think I gotta get like a different tip or something, like a softer tip. If anybody wants to like DM me like a better tip to use, I don't know. It's just weird. It just sounds like somebody's got their fingers in my ear and it just makes my voice come across weird to me. I don't know how to explain it. Did the thing disconnect or something? Did the stream disconnect? Are we all good? Like, I see you folks, but it says like the chat got disconnected and then reconnected, so I wonder if the internet went down temporarily. Let's see who wins this one. 835. Open was 257. 257 quarters. 257. Let's see. That's gonna be the unders winning that one. All right, let's do this. Another prediction. Let's do 905. Give you 5 minutes for this one. If you missed the first gamble, prediction points, here we go. Back again. Gamble it up. ladies and gentlemen. There you go. Yeah, I don't know what it is. It just, the over the ear just sounds better because it just feels like somebody's plugging my ears with the other one. I don't know. Filled with tips today. I mean, ear tips. Ear tips for IE 900s. I mean, the soundstage is incredible. It's just like the talking and feeling like somebody's plugging my ears while I'm talking is just not it. Full ported the over on the gamble yesterday and slowly building back up now. There you go. Burp sounded good, man. Audio's good. There we go. Matt says overtraded after 12 p.m. went into heavy, ended up giving back all 900 profit, went 1200 upside down. I knew what I was doing, but I got hypnotized trading or something. Yeah, you guys got to learn to stop yourselves. I didn't trade. I made another $2,000, right? What's up, Alan? I made $2,000 after I finished my stream. I took a very small scalp, right? It was extremely small. I think it was like 20 points on, what is that, 5? How many contracts do you need? Maybe 5 contracts? 10 contracts, 10 points. I don't remember. Anyway, I made $2,000, so I went from being down 16 on the day to down 14, which is great. But it was a nice opportunity, and then I left, and then the market rallied like another 100 points or something. But you got to learn how to just walk away and be done for the day. I mean, the market was giving me a nice opportunity, which is why I took that little scalp for 2K. But like, it's not like I went into the trade like over. Like, imagine me taking 100 contracts and being like, oh, I made freaking whatever 20,000. It's like 5 or 10 contracts, very small position in the NQ. And so y'all have to learn in trading that there's a level of addiction that you're probably experiencing where you need to learn how to just walk the heck away. It's not a big deal. Like today, like I feel fine. Even yesterday, I felt fine. I'm doing well this month. I've been doing well this year. Oh no, a losing day. Well, whatever. It's part of trading. You're not gonna win every day. When you're on a hot streak, it can feel like you're gonna nonstop win every single day, but no, you're not gonna win every day. That's the reality of trading, you know? So, if you learn how to walk away, I'm telling you, things will work out a lot better for you. If you just learn how to walk. Or rips, NQES, market predictions, if there is a cut, scenarios, etc. I mean, to be honest, I don't have any because we're so pumped up. The market could rally 400 points and I would not be surprised. The market could drop 1,000 points. I would not be surprised. I'm just going to trade the order flow as it comes out. I'm not going to have a fixed ideology of like, for instance, FOMC is one of those things where we can have the rate decision come out. It's going to be a 25 basis point cut. Anything outside of that is a shock. don't ever expect shocks. They rarely come, right? If you're sitting there, you're like, but what if 50 basis points? Oh my God. Like, dude, get real. Ain't gonna happen. If it does, wow, great, fantastic. But, you know, you're expecting 25 basis points. If the market just shoots up on that, if you think that it can't retrace that and then all of a sudden we're trading back at 26,000 evens or below that back into 25,000s in the NQ, and you're sitting there like, well, but we got a rate cut. Like, you just got to learn how to go with the flow. Go with the flow of orders. It doesn't matter what you heard, what you see, what Jerome Powell says. If the order flow is suggesting that we're going to do something else and you start getting in your own way, that's a surefire way to get clapped. Like, the market's dropping and you're sitting there bidding every single tick as it's dropping straight down. And you're like, but there's a rate cut. This is supposed to be good. And it's dropping, it's dropping, it's dropping. Then you're like, wow, I just blew my account. You didn't go with the flow of the ocean, baby. What are you doing? Well, and then it like ends the day 600 points higher. But you were trying to bid that flush. You can't do that. That's how you get cooked. You need to learn to just let go of that side of you that picks this bias and then uses like whatever the reasoning is that you're convincing yourself of like, man, it should have done this because of this. No, the market should have done exactly what the fuck it's doing, because that's how it works. Stop getting in your own way. You got to move with the flows. That's it. Stop trying to be like, but they said this, why is it dropping? And then you're like bidding it on every tick when it's going. Stop it. Knock it off. Please. Crazy town. If you say 10 contracts and an NQ is a very small trade, it is all relative. Yeah, of course. Of course. It's all relative. Dude, I'm like, oh, my max size is 100 contracts. There's a trader out there who's like, nah, fucking peasant. 100 contracts, that's my warm-up. You know, it's all relative, man. Rips, can you explain when you say overhead supply? I mean, dude, you've been here for a while. You got a gold house. How many times I've talked about that? Like umpteenth times. So when we have offers, there are offers there. Overhead supply. Offers in the DOM. Talk about that often, man. Let's see. Ribs, quick question on the volume profile. When we break a volume shelf, are you targeting the start of the next one or the peak of the next volume shelf? Thank you. Yeah, I mean, it depends. Like, if it's a high volume node, for sure. Especially if we have like a slippy, slidey one. Like, let's see if we can find something here. Let's see if this expands. Okay, like here's a good answer. Okay, so, oh jeez, let me go to the chart. We're here, daily open. We find some order flow that sends it through, touches that, and then all of a sudden we're going like basically no bids. They start to firm up like right here and here, but then again, like we're yammering that super hard. This is probably gonna be your target. It's this or this is gonna be your target, especially like if the order flow is just like going evaporated bids to the downside. I mean, that's the most obvious way to use the volume profile market structure. But again, it's not just like, oh, because it's so bold here and then here means that we're just going to slip straight down. It doesn't mean that. If the order flow is complementing that, you use the confluence of both of those trading ideologies, whatever you want to call them, and you use that to your advantage. Can't have a bias, just trade what you see. That's me every day, baby. If they don't do a cut, we drop 1,000. Otherwise, anything can happen. Well, we'll see. I just can't imagine them not doing a cut. It'd be crazy. $18 from passing the funding ticks 25K account I got last night before this stream. I would have wrestled that. Nice, buddy. Let's go, you mom. My bias is that I have no clue what the market will do ever. See what appears. There you go. Smart. You aren't going to outsmart the big boys. Just hop on the ride. And just stop, dude. Stop sitting there and being like in disbelief. Like, I can't believe it's doing this. Fucking believe it. It's doing it right in front of your fucking face. I can't believe this is happening. Fucking believe it, buddy. It's literally, there's your eyeballs. You see it. It's happening. I can't believe it. Shut up. Never tried to figure out the market before a major news event. It doesn't have to do what you think it should do. 100%. I made a statistical indicator that shows the chance of taking the previous hour low or high if we open near. It's often above 90% chance when in a trend, and the degen within me still wants to do the opposite. Why? Why? Stop being the degen. Is one of the reasons you wouldn't take a trade in the upper area because there are no high volume nodes? Depends. Again, it depends. If the order flow is suggesting otherwise, it's just one tool in the arsenal of trading, right? Same thing with Bookmap. Bookmap isn't an end all be all. It's a combination of all of these things that give me a high probabilistic chance to take a good trade. That's it. And I don't expect to win every trade. I'd love to, but that's not the reality. Funny Ticks has a consistency rule. It can't be passed in 1 or 2 days at least. Is that right? Yo, Rips, hope you're not getting dragged into that bees. Y'all have to, like, folks, a lot of questions about this. Learn how to use ChatGPT. Type in your questions to ChatGPT. A lot of you have zero experience in this realm, and it seriously painfully shows. ChatGPT can answer all of these questions. It's very like simple to see what this type of thing is. It's very common. There's nothing special about it. It's just, it's so simple. So many questions about this where it's like, dude, a lot of y'all have just, man, anyway. And a lot of you are like just completely wrong about it. Like, it's crazy. Have you retired from high stakes poker, just taking a break? I was on last night. How much more would you like to be on poker shows, streams, TVs? I need you on 24 hours a day. If you're not on 24 hours a day, have you quit? The fuck? You were on last night. I didn't see you this morning. I was making my cereal. I didn't see you on the fucking TV this morning. Have you stopped playing high stakes poker? Is this a signal stream? Yes, it is a signal stream. We used to have all the information in the world. Now we have a tool that looks through it and gives the answer for the exact question you have, yet people still ask the stupid things, streamers. Yeah, it's fine. And like more people still asking. Good Lord. I'm going to give you a cheat code right now. Go to ChatGPT. Go to Grok. What is discovery in regards to a legal case? All of your questions suddenly get answered in about 30 seconds flat. What the fuck is discovery? Hey Ribs, good morning. Let's make it a great day. I'm happy to do that. I would just love that FOMC gives us some opportunities. I also have a dinner tonight, so I want to be in a good mood for dinner. So I might take it light on FOMC. I haven't really decided. That's the crazy thing is like you can get all stressed out about today and what we have to trade, but you can also pick and choose to say, I'm not going to trade today, you know? How's the right? Oh God, it's gorgeous. I love it so much. We're going to Bazaar Meats. We were gonna go to Poppy Steak, but we've never been to Bazaar Meats since we moved out here. So I think that that's gonna be a good meal. Everybody says it's amazing, so. Light and tight for me today. Been doing this most days to build lately. Determined to make sure I get paid on all 7 XFAs. Are they actually paying out on all 7? Times FOMC? What's FMOC? FOMC is at 2 p.m. Eastern, the rate decision, and then the subsequent press conference is at 2:30 p.m. Eastern. I've been to 4-6s, yes, it's excellent. They have a really fun play on caviar, which is delicious. What do you get? You get like, I forget what they give you, something ridiculous. with your caviar. I can't even remember now. It's chips or something. I don't know. It's really good. How's Poppy Steak? It's incredible. I used to be a hater of Poppy Steak before I went. I was like, this looks lame. They do this stupid overpriced gold steak thing. Like, it reminded me of that. Remember that clown Salt Bae? That guy was such a fucking loser. That guy was, good lord, that fucking guy. What he did at the World Cup, like somebody should have smacked the shit out of that guy. Unbelievable clown. Fucking so happy that that guy finally faded away into obscurity. But I thought it was gonna be like that. I was like, Poppy Steak is lame. It's like influencer central and everything. But no, I will die on the hill that it's like one of the top steakhouses in all of Las Vegas, in the world, like that I've been to. You know, the quality of their meats are insane. I've never had a bad steak there. We've gone about 5 or 6 times now. It's incredible, absolutely incredible. Do I know Mike? No, never heard that name in my life. Look, wait, hold on. Does he own a cookie shop? That Mike? Because I know that Mike. They're from California and they own a cookie shop. I'm trying to book a room at the Three-Legged Cowboy for a meet and greet for you guys. Be a fun meetup. Nice. Came in the second World Series PLO. Let me see. Mike. I guess I could see his picture, right? Is it Zolker or Zolkner? Never seen this guy play Bobby's Room, brother. No, never in my life. Hey Rips, you recommend using Project X or Tradeovate for prop firms like Tradeify? It's completely up to you. It's whatever platform you like more, really. Who am I to say? I trade on TradingView and I trade a pretty decent sized account and people think I'm fucking nuts. Who am I to say? BBWA, thanks for the sub. The risk controls of Project X are excellent. Although, doesn't Tradeovate prop now have similar risk controls, or am I wrong? I don't trade enough of these things to know, so. Am I wrong? I do not know. I have no idea. How do you like your steaks? Mid-rare, baby. Every time, mid-rare. Mid-rare is the only way to order, in my opinion. Rips, I went to his original restaurant in Istanbul. It's like 10th of the price. Is it any good though? Pending home sales going to matter much this morning with F-Homes. When is that coming out? I don't know. Let's see. No, that's not coming out. Pending home sales is not going to come out, as far as I know. Tradeovate doesn't have the lockout function. It has everything else, right? But the lockout function. It has everything else, right? Dude, should I do it? Should I crack open a Celsius bomb? Wake me up a little bit since I'm probably not going to trade much. Try Don Julio in Buenos Aires. I don't drink alcohol. Should have caught me a while ago, like a decade ago. Made sirloin last night with cauliflower mash. It was so delicious. Nice. Haven't heard you talk about HK. Don't like it. What, Hell's Kitchen? I've never been there. I don't think that's a very top tier restaurant, is it? I think Gordon Ramsay's Steakhouse is better than that one, and I haven't been there either. How was it stopping? I fucking love not drinking. It's the best thing ever, dude. Socially it's tough. It wasn't for me. I don't really have an addictive personality. I don't really get addicted to anything. Right? I don't know. I don't know what it is. Some people, I guess, are lucky. But for me, it was like, I'm so bored of this. Really what it was. It came from me, right? Like, I wanted to stop drinking. I was just like, this is so boring and lame and hangovers. I feel like shit and just like same conversations with a bunch of random people, just fucking lame. And got over it. And I remember the first time I went to a party. Well, it was like a dinner. There was a bartender at my friend's house. And he's like, what are you having? And I could smell the alcohol just being at the bar. I was like, ugh. Like, fuck, this is gross. And then, like 2 hours into the party, I saw how fucking wasted everybody was. It was hilarious, but I was just like, man, these people look retarded. I don't know. Haven't drank since. Never had alcohol in your life, and I'm 21. Yeah. I mean, I don't miss, like, I had some epic times. I was a crazy, like, I was always good time Charlie when I was drunk. I was a very happy drunk, and I was fucking just living it up, you know? I have some very funny times being drunk. I was always good time. Mr. Good Time Charlie. I was never the angry drunk. That was never me. I was always happy, good times. But when you do it for like a decade straight and you're like partying for a decade straight, it gets real old real fast. And it's just, I feel like I look at pictures of myself when I used to drink. I think I look younger now. I feel younger. I feel healthy. I just feel generally better. And also, like, you know, when you're a trader, it matters, right? It matters. You got to have a solid mind. You got to have, like, you want to wake up feeling great, you know? Good time, Charlie, man. I have some stories once in Vegas at the, never mind, yeah. Apex activation fee is still $85. Right here. 80% off. $85 lifetime PA fee, baby. I don't know when it ends, but I would take advantage of that if you're without an account. It's a pretty good deal. Trade within the rules. Don't start complaining about a trailing drawdown. You live longer if you drink daily. What about if you consume Gushers fruit snacks that are laced with heroin? Does that also help you, Richard? I know you're a big fan of those. Rivers is a retired vampire. That's hilarious, buddy. You were talking the other day, Richard Harris, how you like to have Zin packs infused with methamphetamine. And you said to chill yourself out, you take black tar heroin, you heat it up on a spoon, you put it in a needle, you inject it into your Gushers fruit snacks, and then you suck those down like the cocks that you gargle on the daily. You said something about that. I can't remember. It was a very detailed description. I think you sent it to me in the DMs. Something about you, heroin, drugs, gargling cock. It's like, that's another day for Richard Harris out there. You know what's funny? Richard Harris is not a big fan of mouthwash. He just sucks big cock. He doesn't gargle mouthwash. He gargles balls. It's crazy. True story. Sorry. This is when the market gives us no opportunities. I just lose my mind. Give me a trade. Come on. Give me something. I love you, Richard. I'm sorry. I love you, buddy. I don't know why sometimes I just unleash on you for no reason. Oh, okay. I love you, buddy. So stupid. If you can be consistent in your Apex account and get it to the 5th payout, every payout from there is like almost having a personal game. For sure, especially if you're out of the trailing drawdown. Is anybody actually trading this nonsense right now? I know I'm not. Buddy, you're not annoying. I just wait, Gold. What are you doing, Gold? You've been without me. Fuck. Why is Gold doing this without us? For shame. I know. Right when we started roasting Richard, Gold sold. I bet you it was Richard selling it. It was all Richard selling it, dude. Neuroscience, top long-term traders that learn to manage their nervous system. Your brain is not your friend in trading. You must learn to manage dopamine, cortisol, good sleep greatly. But yeah, I agree with you 100%, brother. 100%. That's why I focus so much on my sleep and my health. When I have good sleep, I trade better. For sure. Gotta love this video. Dude, I used to just mute that. Yeah, sorry if that's offending anybody. Hope we don't get that BS 1 second move like yesterday. I mean, dude, what's crazy is that, you remember how I was talking about the trade tweet that I thought that was? We got the trade tweet later in the day. And I literally was like, right when I ended the stream, it's like 30 seconds later, we got the trade tweet. And then the algos misread the trade tweet because it's about fentanyl. How the fuck are we, like, why don't we just stop making fentanyl? Can we just do that? Like, it's so dumb. Just that to me feels like such a goddamn conspiracy, right? Like, if it's so bad, why don't we find a better solution? Like, why are we not, for addiction, why are we not fixing that with like psilocybin or something? Why are we not, like, why are we fucking producing fentanyl in China and like having it over here and like, ooh, why does Philadelphia look like this? You know? Like, why don't we just, there's so many, like, it's 2025, that's our best bet. I know, we're gonna make heroin, but 100 times stronger, and if you touch it, you're gonna die. Or, I don't know, maybe the fucking mushrooms that have been grown in the ground for the last 3,000 years, maybe, or 50,000 years, 100,000 years, maybe. You know? What a scam, huh? I'm not a big fan of the healthcare system here in the United States, by the way, if you couldn't tell. Not a big fan. That's why I was like so bummed when I was sick for like those 4 weeks. I'm a very healthy person. I don't know what it was. My wife and I were strolling through the golf course the other day. We noticed they had an area roped off. I think it might have been poison oak that I was exposed to, or poison ivy. I don't know, but it was bad because I had like bumps on my shins. And I was like, what the fuck are these? So I think I maybe like brushed against some poison oak or something. The free healthcare system in Canada is 100x worse than the US. Yeah. I mean, there's not great healthcare here in Las Vegas, unfortunately. But I don't go to the doctor. Got my blood taken. My doctor is whoop right now. Must be a Bernie guy? Fuck off. Yeah, right. Bernie. No way, dog. Leaves a 3, let it be. I don't know what it was, but fuck, man. I guarantee you I got poison oak or poison ivy exposure. Fentanyl is a really good painkiller. Can't they use like Dilaudid or something instead? Wasn't Dilaudid very strong too? Do we really need Fenties? You know? What about Dilaudid? Or morphine? Dude, they're still rolling in gold here. I wonder if it's gonna break these lows. That'd be insane, huh? Dilaudid is stronger than fentanyl? No way! Are you for real? Are you for real? That's crazy. Some wild shit. Any drug can kill you if you take enough. But isn't like fentanyl, if you have like a spoonful of the powder and you're exposed to it, can't that like literally kill you? Isn't it gnarly, the concentration of it? Came back to the weird portion of the stream. What are you, short gold right now? No, you're not short. Oh, we're just talking about drugs and stuff. What are you talking about in there? Drugs and stuff, man. Soaking Dilaudid. Yeah, I don't know enough. I'm too stupid to have this conversation, probably. Dilaudid's fucked up the name because it sounds like a no-tooth hillbilly saying delighted. But that's how they came up with the name. The rumors say that they gave it to a hillbilly on meth, and he's like, how do you feel about this drug? What would you describe it as? Dilaudid. That's what he said. Yo, Uptown's very own with a blue house, you sick fuck. Let's go. Less will kill you, less than the size of a dime. That's crazy. Like a dime bag? I mean, I don't even understand. How do people even do recreational drugs anymore? Because can't all that shit be laced with fentanyl? Like, this is a weird conversation. I don't even know how we got on this conversation, but how do people even do recreational drugs anymore? How are these kids doing it out there? Like, seriously, how can people even take recreational drugs? Isn't it all laced with shit? Like, fuck. You're gonna die. You're gonna die if you take some recreational drugs. Shouldn't be taking drugs in the first place, but I'm just saying. Drugs are a huge market, obviously. They don't, they die, yeah. A lot of the lacing talk of drugs is bullshit, urban legend. Yeah, so. You remember the old urban legend around Halloween that like kids were gonna find syringes in their Halloween candy? Or like Halloween candy was gonna be laced with like ecstasy? It's like, what fucking drug dealer is so rich that they're just literally, I'm gonna put some pills in here to give out to the trick-or-treaters? What drug dealer is so rich that they're doing that? They're not giving out their product for free. That was such a weird, like, fake headline that came out. Weed is legal in Canada? It's legal here in the US for the most part. I think they're gonna declassify it as a Schedule 1 at the federal level soon enough, but weed is dangerous too in excess. I'm sure a lot of people, no, dude, weed's the greatest. I think there's a correlation between weed and the weed legalization in most states and the uptick in schizophrenia. I'm just gonna throw that one out there. Like those dabs, dude, that concentrate, that's not the same weed they were smoking back in the 70s. That's a lot different. Yeah, the razor blades in candy, that's what it was. Yeah, the wax, that's right, the wax. So it is the extract. That's bonkers, brother. That's too much. What house is giving out exactly? Let me the address. Yeah. You can't OD on weed, but chemically addicted. Yeah, dude, your body can become physically addicted to weed. For sure. I think, yeah, weed is legal in Nevada or Las Vegas, whatever. Weed was legal in California. Weed was legal in Puerto Rico, too, now that I think about it. All the places that I was. Yo, give it up for Victor Mundo. I think that's your full name. He says, fuck yeah, my first Apex payout, my biggest payout ever. Thanks for everything you do, Rips. It's all you, brother. It ain't me, dog. I'm just here to support you on the journey, baby. It ain't me. Do not give me credit. It's you, brother. You're the one clicking the buttons. Can we give it up for Victor? Taking his very first Apex payout and his biggest payout ever. That's so freaking awesome, man. See, those are the type of messages I like to see. That's just like, yes, sir. Let's go, baby. You keep me from doing dumb shit in full port, but it's still you, man. It's you. Don't give me the credit. It's you, brother. It's you. Come on. It's you. You're just learning. You're doing the better things now. It's only going to get better. As long as you stay hard on yourself, it's only going to get better. Don't be too hard on yourself, but just, it's crazy how much better it's going to get. Just keep going. Keep staying locked in. Keep doing exactly what you're doing. Don't start looking for other things to do differently. Keep just same lane. You're in that lane, stay in that lane. Keep doing it, keep doing it, keep doing it. It's going to get better. Cheeseball says, I just love weed. Always got to be true and honest to yourself about effects. Yeah. I mean, I got y'all want to do whatever you want. I got no problems with it. Everybody thinks when you say like, I don't drink or do drugs. Wait, some kind of narc. You don't like being around people. Dude, I love being around my friends when they're fucked up. It's hilarious. It's free reality TV, especially in Vegas. I got friends out here that love to get fucked up. And it's hilarious being around them. It's great. It's the best. People are hilarious, man. I'm all about personal freedom. Do whatever you want, man. Just as long as you don't hurt anybody else. Do whatever you want. What was the prediction here? Caffeine is a drug, and a very addictive drug at that. 250 was the number. 905. The opening of that candle was 266. Oh my God, overs do it again. Let's go, baby. The overs have been paid. I hope I didn't do that wrong. I'm so nervous about paying out the wrong people now every time. No, that's 260. Okay, we're good. Let's do another one. We're gonna do 945. This is the doozy. This is the one that y'all really love. 10 minutes for this one, baby. Bing bong. There you go. 945, 10 minutes to gamble away, ladies and gentlemen. Bet 5K. Nicely done, brother. Way to go. Pull back today. I try not to have a bias. So it really is just going to depend on the press conference. It's one of those days where, like, I don't know if I'm going to trade yet, but it's by the end of the day, as long as my results are good, I'm going to be happy, because it's just one of those days where it's like that stress is on the table where it's like, man, anything can happen. Nicotine. I avoid nicotine too. Yeah, I never did the Zins or anything. A lot of people are like, nicotine is the greatest thing for you. Yeah. I've heard a lot of people say there's huge benefits to nicotine. I haven't indulged in them myself. The best drug is rolling slots on yeet. That's my drug, baby. You believe it after all that fanfare? After all that fanfare yesterday with Yeet, I don't even remember what it was. It was like a line pay that made us a lot of money. I think we were playing spreadsheet mode. I don't even remember. Goldfish memory, baby. But we made $300 on Yeet. I try to avoid sugar. Oh, snap. Gold, you're doing it again. What the hell? Stop doing it without us. Who's farting these contracts? Fat guy, is that you? Who's farting out 350 contracts? Dude, what is going on with these people? Who's farting all these contracts out, man? They're unloading these things like a bukkake session. Just unloading. Is that you, fat guy? Don't tell me it's you. That was the break of the structural low right here. A lot of stops underneath there. I wish I farted gold. Me too, brother. Can you imagine the flakes just being peppered right out of your butthole? What the fuck am I saying, dude? What the fuck am I saying? All right, stop saying weird shit. You're gonna you catch me off guard. The mind just opens up and just starts flowing. Like, stop doing it. Knock it off. Making me look bad over here. Stop. There's no trades. I get loopy when there's no trades. Stop. You're doing it to me. Zen started making my hair fall? Jesus. That doesn't seem too nice. GC open in 5 minutes. Didn't it already happen? I think because you're on the other time. Didn't it already happen? I'm confused because I thought it already happened like an hour ago. I think because you're in the European time or something. Sorry, July Peppers. 720 CST, yeah, so we already got there, baby. She already happened. Thank you, Caleb, for the 1 month. Thank you. Nicotine is the worst thing ever. Is not worth it. The effects on my body were unbearable. When I stopped, the light came back in my life. Crazy. Try to be as natural as possible, I think. That's the goal right there, baby. Rips, would you mind showing the ES chart so I can screenshot the spaceman levels to compare to? Do you not have Trading View? I mean, come on, baby. You don't have Trading View. It's free, man. It's free, baby. It's free. There you go. Wait, hold on. Let me get this. Ready? There you go. Screenshot that shit. There you go, baby. Oh my gosh, look at these little schmutzies on my chart. What is this? What is this rubbish on my chart? Little dingle derps there. Time gold opened officially an hour ago at 7:20 Chicago Standard Time. Look at that bounce from gold. Little 7 handle there. So indicator you have Space Man BTC. Do you take creatine? I do every single day. 5 grams, baby. 5 grams. Rips, blue lines on the right side of the charts. What are those called? VRVP, visible range volume profile. Rips, you think Dakota would join our team? No, he's not a Tradeify trader. He's a top step trader. There's no shot. New to trading in your channel. What setup are you looking for? Usually the AMT 69 setup. AMT 69. It's a very coveted pattern that only shows up every now and again, but that's what we're looking for. AMT 69 every time. Double or triple your creatine. Lots of studies about the good benefits. Split it up during the day. I feel like 5 grams is kind of the wave, though. Isn't 5 grams just real nice? You know? Hey, Rips, Trade Oye. Wait, what? Trade Oye does have a risk. Oh, Trade Evade does have a risk setting. I set it for 500 max loss in the day, and it does it. Wait, but it doesn't lock your account though. Five G's of the white powder. Hell yeah, yeah, man. What creatine does? What do you mean? What does it do? Brain health, muscle growth. Is 10 grams good? Maybe I needed to be double scooping. I've not tried hydrogen water, no. Isn't all water hydrogen? It's 2 parts hydrogen. Pure Colombian creatine. It does look a lot like the other stuff, doesn't it? Switch to 10 grams too? Fuck, maybe I'll do that. Let me see. Let me ask good old Chat GPT here. Let's see. What is the old GPTZ saying? Should I go from 5G creatine per day to 10G creatine per day? Let's see what she says. What are all these clips that Discord does now? It's so weird. Depends on your body weight. I'm not 200 pounds though. It says 10 grams a day if you have larger body mass. You're in a loading phase. Huh. High intensity trading twice per day. You notice clear benefit 5G. You want to see a mild increase in performance. Maybe. We'll see. Whoever is falling for hydrogen water is getting sand. Maybe they're drinking H1O. H-O. They're drinking ho. They're like, this thing needs to be double hydrogenized. It's not a word. Yeah, they're drinking ho. I ain't drinking water, I'm drinking ho. Please share your settings for the VRVP. Sure, man. None of these are special. Screenshot it. 54321. Screenshot it. 54321. No. It's not special. Just because I have the settings the way they are doesn't mean there's nothing special about what my settings are, ever. Give that a watch. Short-term bump to 10 grams. It's funny how they use that word. Just a short-term little bumpski to 10 grams. What's on your hat? White crosses. 20 grams is even better. What? Fuck it. Let's just do 50 grams a day. Let's do 10 scoops of that shit. They're snorting vitamin B powder? What if they just gave them baby laxatives? Yeah, snort this. Dude, I'm gonna have 40 grams, no, 50 grams. Why stop at 50 grams? Let's do 250 grams a day. I'm just gonna have a whole jar of creatine every day. Do you know Warren Lotus? Dude, I wear tons of Warren Lotus, man. I have so much Warren Lotus, it's not even funny. I'm wearing Warren Lotus shorts right now. There you go. Some Warren Lotus shorts for you. Say hello to my... Oh, fuck, I shit my pants. Yeah, that would be what happened if they snorted baby laxative on the set of Scarface. I'm gonna ingest 15 grams and snort 5 grams throughout the day. Well, hey, more power to you. You do what lights your own fire. Getting the drumsticks out. Yeah, dude. We're getting out the drumsticks. That's right. Does your Apex 80% off work for all account types? Yes. Every single account type. Correct. Shit. That's a good name for it. Not wrong, baby. Not wrong. Oh, snap. Dude, 8 minutes till the market opens. It just feels like nothing's happening. Apex sale is over? Huh? What? There's no way. I don't believe you. Let me see. Why would they stop the sale pre-FOMC? What are they, high? Let me see. Dun, 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 dun. All right, you right. You right. Shows how much I know. All right, you right. Okay. Yeah, my bad. Shit. Sorry. Let me switch this back here. Thank you for the heads up. Change the pin message over here. Sorry. Whoopsie. Oopsie. They'll likely do one for Thanksgiving, maybe Veterans Day. There is a sale coming up. Not from Apex, but from a different prop firm that will be live very soon. And you will want to take advantage of it. That's all I'm going to say. It's everything must go October 28th, yeah. That was the one. That was it. Rip Small, can you replace the pin message in... You're still doing 80% off. It's not 80% off, Ripsmon. We just discussed this. Can you replace the pin message in Kick, please? Of the Tradeify one. There we go. There's Tradeify. Weevil just increased margin rates for FOMC. Yeah, AMP did it last night. 25% margins. Thankfully, we can still trade 100 contracts. We got 850,000. Not that we trade 100 contracts on FOMC, but hey, it's there if we want it. Rips, I know it's private, but it's out of genuine curiosity. How much do you moisturize your balls? Really? Huh? That is a personal question. Well, I use a vanilla bomb. What else is it? It's got jojoba oil in it. Sorry, I'm telling you, when there's no trades for me, I get loopy. All right, YouTubers, let's see. Did we get 250 likes? Let me check. We got 79. Woo, so close. YouTubers, I gotta run. I'll be over on Kick. I love you very much. I really do, from the bottom of my heart. Join me on Kick. It's way more fun. I'll see you folks over on Kick. Bye.